Welcome back to another boxing training video. Today we are gonna be breaking down the one step three. So get into your fighting positions and make sure hands are up, feet have good enough of width, your foundation all right. All right. So we're gonna start off with the first one. And with this first one, you want to make sure it's fully erected. Just right to your opponent's face. You don't want it to be half saggy in the sky over to the side. No. You want the erection stiff, strong, you know. So you're here. And when you throw the first one, look how I throw it. You see how I'm staring at the opponent? Hand straight down. See me lead a toe facing the opponent. But look at my belly button facing the other way. This is how you generate the power. Just Alright? Alright. So that is the first one. After you do that one, you're gonna retract it and pop out a one. But with this one, it's not gonna be fully erected. You want to half. Boom. Alright? This is to make sure your opponent knows that you're not want to excel forward, you know. That you're most likely gonna go back. So you're baiting him into coming back. Alright? So stiffer one, half a one right there. And when you retract the second one, you're going to step back. You see how that's one fluid motion? Let's do it again. So stiff one, retract, step back. You got that? Good. And remember, when you step back, so yeah, one, retract, step back. Make sure your hands are up here. You don't want to get impregnated by your opponent's fist. No, you don't want that. So make sure when you're one, right? Hands up all the time. Now, you got the double one. So stiff, half, step back. When you step back, you're going to load your weight and come over. But you see how me still staring at my opponent? That's what y'all want. You don't want to be looking over here because then your opponent's going to probably get their Vaseline and do some dirty things to you. You don't want that. So keep your eyes on your opponent at all time right there. So let's go back to the basic. One, retract, three. You see right there. Your opponent's head is here, but your fist is there. You want to penetrate right through their skull. Maximum power. And you see how my foot and my fist, same direction. Hand protected here. Right? We'll do it all again. So one, fully erected. One, half, retract, step, three. And that is one, step back, three. This combination is great for when you're fighting against your opponent that's more aggressive, you know, that likes to step forward. This way you can bait him in with the stiffer one, half one, retract, and most importantly, when you throw that three, don't be too fast. Don't be wait till your opponent comes in. Look like you're nervous so your opponent wants to come closer to you, right? So you're here, one, stay away. Half a one, he don't feel no power, so he wants to step forward. You're stepping back, he's here, boom, execute the three. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.